Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to fix Sprint tools stop recording. So first guys, click to start and go to Microsoft Store. Otherwise it not show, so you can type here store. Open this. Search here snipping tool. Okay, then click here and here to show upgrade. Okay, I already updated, so it shows get. Otherwise here show update. Okay, repair me too. So Windows, click to setting, then guys click to app, install app, find out S series snappy tool, this one, click to 3 tab and click to advance, slow down, firstly click to reset and then click to repair. Both is done, then close. So next switch to high performance CPU. Okay, so first click to Windows, then go to setting, system, display, graphic and select Microsoft Store app. Here to show guys Snapple tool, then select to click options. I give you example and select this one high performance. Okay, then save. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, next solution, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.